What is lechon, guys?
Lechon is
It's a roasted
What is lechon,
pig.
Rowie?
Roasted pig.
with the spices under its stomach.
Stomach! Wow!
The spices under the stomach. oh, kasabot mo.
What's up? We're going to plant corals.
And now finally we have corals to be replanted.
Corals fragment. What are you doing, man?
I'm dividing the corals to propagate. To put it in a nursery. Lapong ning gahay-gahay, lamira ba ni mo?
Masa na, we? Masa mo na yung mga kaon?
Milo nga gahi. Gahi nga Milo.
May pang Milo, kay Mugaki pa. Iyo, yang, kung sa may mga experience yang?
It was okay. Hungry but terrible.
Milo!
De.
Pampa-energy, Milo!
De okay ra. First time man to na ako nga magingani planting. So far so good. At least I'm with experts now. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, we're heading to the barangay hall now because there's a rumor that there will be a lechon. What is lechon, guys?
Lechon is
It's a roasted
What is lechon,
pig.
Rowie?
Roasted pig.
with the spices under its stomach.
Stomach! Wow!
The spices under the stomach. oh, kasabot mo.
Sabot mo.
This is pure Filipino language, huh?
Yeah.
You want to know what is inside the stomach?
Yes.
Just like chicken manok.
Yes.
Yeah, you just put ginger. No, not ginger. Lemongrass, onion, garlic, star anise,
Yung accent eh.
And
pepper,
and
optional.
lemongrass.
Di pa
Humana lemongrass.
Oh,
Okay, so mo
Salts
left,
and pepper.
mo left side na may guys. Nagsige paglitan niya si Louie sa yung ingredients sa
So
kuan.
this is it.
Lechon. So I think this is it. I think this is the barangay hall, guys.
Yep.
So the
This is-
barangay hall is actually a basketball court. a gym. And inside this gym is a motherfucking roasted pig. So we are going to park, guys. So to tell you, we are kind of like celebrities here. So the moment we are going to get out from this car, everybody will look at us. And probably, yeah, and they're probably gonna shout our name like, "Oh my God, Bam Bam!" Oh, anyway, see you later, guys.